Hello everyone, Jeff Dvorak with Pepper Construction with another update of construction at Hinsdale Central High School. Phase 1 construction is progressing very well in the natatorium building. Interior finishes are ongoing throughout the lobby and second floor with the painting and ceilings with millwork as well being installed. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing trim is also ongoing and nearing completion. Inside the natatorium, the pool deck concrete is now placed and overhead finishes are progressing with deck tile upcoming. Tile is now also being installed within the pool vessel with the plaster to follow in the next several weeks. Exterior work includes the roof ballast is now placed and finished metal trim is underway. Tear off of the theater roof is now complete, working our way to the other roofs. Phase 2 work is well underway with school being out. Structural concrete is nearing completion for the student services addition and the structural masonry will start next week. Special ed demolition is now complete as well as the underground work and framing will begin next week. The fine arts addition building demolition is ongoing and overhead mechanical work inside the space. The staff parking lot asphalt is now removed and we're working out the details to start curbs and paving in this area. Baseball field and softball field work is also underway with the removal of the old backstop fencing and dugouts and setting up for storm drainage work. And the bleacher demolition is now complete, working on underground utility work in this area, getting ready for concrete install. I hope you enjoyed the update at Hinsdale Central. Until next time, thank you and have a great day.